Hello, welcome to CLC Cosmetics. My name is Amanda. Today I'm going to show you how to make a great soap for the summer using coffee and brown sugar. Coffee is a great after sun care. It can reduce dark circles around your eyes. It has calming effects and it can help with cellulite reduction. And brown sugar, well, it hydrates, exfoliates dead skin cells from the outer skin and it gives the skin a shiny glow. For this recipe, we'll be using both our olive oil soap base and our aloe vera soap base. Oh, this coffee smells amazing. It just triggers this thing in my brain. This is definitely the perfect soap. Also knowing that the qualities that coffee and sugar have for the skin, especially in the summer, I'm really excited to try it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!